What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So if you guys want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright guys, I got two boxes. I have this box right here, and I also have this box right here. Y'all hear that? What y'all think that is? It's kind of making some sounds right there. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all probably saw these packages. I've been had them for a minute, haven't had a chance to unbox them, so today is going to be the day. So first I'm going to unbox this. Now this package came from Heat Press Nation. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all saw when I had the wrong press delivered to me. So this was what they sent me because of that happening. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Let me see, and let you guys check it out. See what's in here. Let you guys see what's in here. All right, as you see, the Heat Press Nation invoice right here. All right, so right here, what we have is vinyl. So this is actually the scissor brick vinyl. It actually seems pretty thick. I'm gonna untape it so I can try to show it to you guys better. Alright, so they sent me some samples of the brick vinyl. They sent me 2 feet of each one, and as y'all see right here, this is pretty thick. It's pretty thick right here, kind of like foam or something. So once I get a chance, I will be doing a video on this for you guys, and then you check it out and see how things come out with it. So let me see if I can roll this back up. Alright, and let's see what's in this next box. Alright, this package is also from Heat Press Nation right there. And right here I have a tape holder or tape roll. I have some sublimation tape, some of the Heat Press Nation sublimation tape, and I will have links for all these items down below. And some of y'all may be wondering why I got another tape roll. The other one I ended up having to send it back to Amazon because it did not fit correctly. And right here I got some Eco Mist adhesive spray right here. And right here, as you guys see, I have some plaques. Okay, whoa. Okay, this one is a little bit damaged up a little bit right there. I don't know, they could have did a better job protecting these. Yeah, could have did a better job protecting these. But yeah, I just kind of bought these so that I can kind of, you know, it's actually 7 of them. It's 7 of them in here. So, you know, just to try them out a little bit and see how everything turns out. Alright, so you guys see what I have. Just a few sublimation blanks. I'm going to go ahead and try this tape right here. I'm gonna test this out with my other tape and see if it's going to hold that tape, or if I'm going to have to order a certain tape from Heat Press Nation to be able to use this, or what. Okay, right here, let me see. Okay, so it does fit right here, hopefully, because it kind of seems like, I don't know if it's fitting. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, it's gonna work. It's working. It just seemed like it was a little bit loose, but because that's gonna be turned, it's gonna work. I'm gonna check it out with my other heat tape that I have and see if it works with that one. All right, I have my other heat tape. I'm gonna compare it with this roll right here. They should be real close to the same size. I don't know. This one right here is slightly bigger, but I'm gonna try it out and see if it's gonna work. Cause I had issues with this one fitting with another one. Okay, so as y'all see, no, this one is not gonna work. It's for some reason it's too big, and it's just like y'all can see it sliding from side to side. This one is not gonna work. So I will have to use the Heat Press Nation tape, unless I can find a different one. Because the only thing with Heat Press Nation is they're in California, and I am here in Louisiana. So it takes me a minute before I get stuff from them sometimes. So that's my only complaint with them. So yeah, here's the heat tape right here on the roll. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And also subscribe to my other channel, the T-Shirt Chic Red channel. I do live streams on that channel daily. So if you have questions or just want to hang out, I do live streams at 10 a.m. Central Time, 11 Eastern, 8 a.m. California time, and 2 p.m. in Ireland. So you guys be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications for both channels, and also follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chic TV and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.